G'day guys, my name is iRideTaz. I have spent all week thinking about putting the seat on the bike. A day off's come, and so here we are. We're going to put this Highway Hawk bobber seat that I bought from the USA because I wanted something actually comfortable. I want to keep this bike fairly rideable. So I bought this from the USA and we're going to install that there, and it's going to be great. I'm really excited. Got a few things that we're going to install. This is an eBay seat pan that's going to sit there. These are some 3-inch springs I got from a swap meet. They're off a Harley, not sure what era. Got some natural patina, they look pretty good. I want to make this bike as rideable as possible, so they're nice and soft. A lot softer and more pliable than the eBay ones. They're approximately equal to the 3-inch eBay springs. They're going to sort of basically sit somewhere there. Got a swivel, that'll sit there. And I've got my Highway Hawk bobber seat that's going to sit there. Yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. I'm really excited about this one. I don't know why, it just sort of is one of the defining features of the bike, so I'm really looking forward to get it on. It sounds like the mower man at the school was waiting for power tool time as well. While I was waiting, I just measured up where I'm going to cut. We're going to cut it off and ultimately bang it there. And I just sort of drew where we're going to cut. I've put the blade on the angle grinder. It's now power tool time, so let's get onto it. I'm quite a fan of using what's available on the bike. Like if there's a hole there in the frame, why drill another? Why compromise it? There's a hole here that I'm aiming to use. Last time I used one of those seat pans, I cut that off. I just have a niggling suspicion that this will line up and I'll be able to get that hole to line up and use it for the mounting, which means that I have to drill less into the frame, maintain its structural integrity a little bit better. Yes, I could weld stuff in, but yeah, this is a simple build using simple tools, and ultimately that'll just work out better. So I just used a paint pen to mark out approximately where I'm going to cut. Just remove that. Flatten that out there. And just I might do is actually get the bolt. It's in my pocket, and we'll fasten that down. That looks pretty bloody neat, actually. This eBay seat pan, and they're everywhere on eBay. Just type in seat pan and they're like 20 bucks. Been grinding and cutting on this, so I've just put a pillow down to protect it. Putting springs on, super annoying job. Just because I really don't plan on doing this again. Let's get some Loctite onto that. Again, just put some Loctite on it. Oops. That could be nasty. Secret I've found is you want to get the widest part of the spring over where you're screwing that nut down, and then life gets a fair bit easier. So there's a wide gap there, more than enough to get the spanner into it. Cool. Let's get it back on the bike. Mower Man is back, creating some noise. I apologise for that, but guys, this is the Springer seat install. I think it looks absolutely awesome. I know people aren't a fan of rear springs and the seat springs, but I think it suits the style of the bike. It slims it down. What I've found in the past is if you sit a bobber seat on the frame rails, you get a lot of vibration and it's very uncomfortable, and this helps provide some shock absorption, but also it isolates the seat from the bike and just makes riding it more comfortable and less fatiguing. I couldn't be happier with this. This is a Highway Hawk bobber seat, and this is just an eBay seat pan and seat swivel, some Swapmate Harley springs that are much softer than the eBay bricks that they sell. Yeah, guys, the bike's really starting to come together now. We've got to do something with the battery, the electrics, the side cover, but yeah, it's really starting to come together now. Guys, till I see you next time, I'm out. Give me a thumbs up for the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to support the build, go to buymeacoffee.com/iRideTaz. Buy Me a Coffee is like Patreon, but you don't have to be a member, and we as the creators don't have to pay the exorbitant fees. It's a great system. Check it out, buymeacoffee.com/iRideTaz. See you next time, guys.